In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable GPU acceleration in Premiere Pro. If you want smoother playback, faster rendering, and better overall performance while editing, turning on GPU acceleration is an important setting to check. Premiere Pro can use your computer's graphics card to handle certain processing tasks more efficiently, which can make a noticeable difference, especially when you're working with effects, color grading, or high-resolution footage. To get started, open your project in Premiere Pro. Make sure the project you want to work on is already loaded, because this setting is adjusted from within the active project. Once your project is open, go to the top menu bar and click File. From the File menu, look for Project Settings. You can either hover over it or click it, depending on how your version of Premiere Pro responds. Then select General. This will open the General Settings window for your current project, where you'll find options related to how Premiere Pro handles rendering and playback. In that window, locate the Renderer drop-down list under the Video Rendering and Playback section. This is the setting that determines whether Premiere Pro uses only your computer's processor or also takes advantage of your GPU. If it is currently set to software only, click the drop-down and change it to Mercury Playback Engine GPU Acceleration. When you choose GPU acceleration, Premiere Pro may show several technology options depending on your system. If you use an NVIDIA graphics card, choose CUDA. If you use an Apple Silicon or Mac system, choose Metal. If you use an AMD graphics card or another compatible graphics setup, choose OpenCL. The correct option depends on the hardware installed on your computer, so selecting the one that matches your system will help Premiere Pro perform at its best. After selecting the appropriate GPU acceleration option, click OK to save your changes. That's all you need to do. Once this is enabled, Premiere Pro should begin using your graphics hardware for supported tasks. If you don't see the GPU acceleration option available, it may mean your graphics drivers need updating or your hardware doesn't support that mode. In most supported systems, though, this setting is quick to enable and can improve your editing experience right away. And that's how to enable GPU acceleration in Premiere